We are looking at new furniture for the new school building.
We're in the business of people, and real people, real students are going to be sitting in these.
There's a difference between looking at it and seeing how it really works.
More comfy and learning space for students, so to make it like studying stuff 10 times more enjoyable, in my opinion.
They're really unique in their style, and the way you can move them around classes is really helpful.
If you're comfortable, you want to learn, you want to engage, and you want to be a little bit more interactive in class.
So this is their opportunity to get the best that they can for their students. Furniture fairs are important to the design process because it really starts the teachers, especially, thinking about how their space is going to work for them. So now they're having an opportunity to talk to each other and compare notes and think about how they want to do things. So this is just really going to help them feel invested in the new building.
So we have a bunch of different furniture options for our new school building, the new high school that we're about to break down on soon. And our teachers are coming around looking at the different chair, table, desk options to get a feel of what might be best for our students and give feedback on them.
We're looking at different features, sizes, some finishes, how things move around and work. That's kind of exciting to hear feedback and be able to make better decisions for the district.
We have all different types of kids with all different needs and sizes and shapes and everything else, and kids who like to fidget, kids who like to move around, and so just be able to see furniture and things like that to make them more comfortable and just feel like it's a safe space. I think that's one of the most important things, where they can feel like it's at home.
We brought in a lot of different samples. Each of the pieces are unique. They have different features and different functionality. And we wanted to offer that to the folks at North Ridgeville just to help them imagine what their space could do, which is different from what they currently have.
I think it's really cool to be a part of the design process now and thinking forwards about the kids in the future that are going to be at this school. It's really cool.
I personally want to be here today because it's important to create a better learning space, and for the future when I'm in college or for my maybe children in the future, it's good that they feel excited to come to school, and I feel like it's really good to give the future a more comfy and exciting place to learn.
You know, students are here to learn, so if they're comfortable and they feel like this is a place they want to be, which includes where they're sitting, how they're sitting, they're more likely to engage in the learning.
Comfortable furniture is important for mostly learning engagements. I think a lot of people have struggles getting comfort from the classroom and then struggling to learn. My ideal furniture in a classroom would be, I think, a strong backrest for your back and a little bit height off the ground, just to have some feeling off of it.
The furniture that you can create more leveling with, like height and lower height, those are very great to experience with.
I prefer stools. I like that they swivel, and I like how comfortable they are.
I mean, all these voices are necessary so that we can provide a product that's going to work for the school. And that's an exciting opportunity for me to help them design it for their purposes.
We know we're going to be building a state-of-the-art facility for our students, and we're going to be building it with the future in mind.
I'm very excited about the idea of a new high school and having a nice, big facility to be able to hold all the kids and educate them well while they're comfortable and feel important. It's very important for the kids.
A new high school would be amazing because it'll create a brighter environment and so much more space. It's going to be great. It's going to be great.
We're just really excited. I'm very excited for the future of North Ridgeville.